Okay, so if you look at your hand, you have 3 bones in each finger. I'm going to call the bottom one 1, the middle one 2, and the one near my palm 3. In the left hand, we want to make, first of all, the hand comes in on a bit of a diagonal across the shaft. It doesn't come in straight across. So if you look at my pinky finger, I have bone 3 and some of my palm underneath and on the side of the club. In the middle 2 fingers, it's more into bone 2 and 3, and my forefingers, bone 1 and 2. So my hand is laid diagonally across the shaft. I'm going to wrap the fleshy part of my palm over on the top of the shaft, and I'm going to put my thumb down just to the right side of center for a right-handed golfer. When I flip this around, you'll notice that there's a lot of my palm that is not touching the shaft at all. If you look down at it, and a way to view this is to cock the club up in the air slightly. Again, the shaft pointing just to the left of my belly button or zipper. The club face is square with the bottom leading edge pointing straight up. And when I look at my hands now, I can see a line or V formed by my thumb and forefinger in the left hand pointing towards my back right shoulder. And I can see 1 knuckle, 2 knuckles, and part of my 3rd knuckle on that left hand visible. When I put my right hand on, we go back to the fingers. It's bone 2 is underneath the bottom in these middle 2 fingers. My pinky is either overlapped or interlocked. Or if you have very small hands, you might even put all 10 fingers on. But let's assume for a moment you're overlapping it. It's bone 2 that's underneath the bottom of the club, and bone 1 or 2 in the forefinger, forming what looks like a water pistol grip. So when I look down at my hands now, or if I cock it up in the air, the line, or this is more like a V now, the tip of the V is pointing towards my right shoulder as well. And if I cock it up and have a look, I can only see 1 knuckle on this right hand. So there's a very good, my body's in the correct position, the ball position's in the correct position, the shaft's leaning in the right position. There's a very good neutral grip for you to take a look at.